You don't know blood clot money. And the lunchtime he come back and give.
No man, no man, a slave master man.
Wicked man.
Yeah man. You can't deal with the man, sir, brother. $200 man. Yeah man, that's a wickedness, papa. Oh God. Wickedness. You know real. If it works, and then when me I go do when me tired, drop down.
Drop down?
I stop and rest, man. White man fire me.
You just a kill self straight up.
So white man I tell himself so me can't tired.
We are slave.
Yeah.
Yeah, some man will like kill self call a boss and when you see boss and kill up yourself.
Yeah, kill self, hard like buy. Hard like my best. So you see man your foot there so buy. Take your time man. But I see doing business with you. So we are work so hard again. You're not done there man. They have as good workers already.
We are
do that for him. Them say cool yourself, brother man, you hurt yourself.
You must be afraid in losing work.
Boss don't know who can work and who can work already. You know if you do something, ask for that. Boss come near me and turn idiot. Show all how much is sun and how much you empty bucket. I said, watch all you too. I've done fool man. Boss no business with the man, never know. Boss just know say one know say when self you do, I do. Yeah. Boss now tell a man say boy no ease up, no rest. Boss now do that.
Boss do that when you have to go home.
You have to go home in a one day, I can't work more one day. I remember that day I not done. Yeah man. So boss himself knows a man have to work and take a blow, you know? And go again.
And go again?
Yeah man. Work and take.
Who that?
Every pay week, him can clean clothes with change and him no beard. So big beard said to him Friday, buy your beard. Yeah. Where am I go? Where am I go? Him nah go nowhere.
You not ever gone through.
No him nah blood clot. Go lie my tell pan teach feed. But every Friday him go up there with girl.
And a beard?
Hey, which girl you can't go in a bed with them with a dirty blood clot cement? Yeah, you know him work and nasty himself. So how you are gonna go in a bed now with girl after whole day in a sun and walk so brother? By your piss start sweat in a bed and now with girl you not get stink? Me tell him say brother you have to go beard man. Rub on little something on your skin. Spray little something under your arm or so, you know? Put on your clean clothes. Yeah, with the blood clot you have drawn clothes over this dirty skin. And you see how girl come from town.
Who did good and nasty?
Dirty blood clot girl that you go to.
A girl in a beard.
Girl then on a taste brother. Hey, and when him look for yours, him not say you're dirty. Him say, I read that brother. Clean up yourself, man. Lie him a tell upon himself. And the little old dirty girl him a go on a
So can't tell what they lie upon girl?
About what?
We don't know, say can't
Girl hole?
Yeah.
No brother, you not tell lie upon girl hole. Tell lie upon girl hole, you know, can't get no hole, you know.
Yeah, you sure?
You can't get no girl hole, man. You tell lie upon girl hole, you starve for fuck.
I'm 20 meters.
Girl now want your brother because you're all liar. Girl I got just disgrace your road. Hold you in a conference say if you ever fuck him yet and them there's something where you go say. Where you go.
Oh you mean? You don't remember girl?
No.
Yeah, some man I go say a girl and a member say me they go on so.
Me a cuss girl and tell him say members. Me a cuss girl and just tell him say members say you did suck me wood when me would did dirty, you know. And me would have enough dirty custard and you know forgot. Remember say you did do it. Girl ball and left him work. Bartender too, you know.
Yeah, girl cuss?
I mean, cuss that blood clot over marriage in a bar.
Both all?
No, just a hype. And me just tell him say, yo girl, you know say me we cuss your blood clot and him a tell them boy nobody can cuss him. When me done cuss him not even him pay him now yet for. Him don't even work back at the bar, him left your fuck. Boy, say cat, you know, easy to make a girl left in work, man. And me say, you mean, me afraid him. Cause that blood clot and running me. Cause you know, years we there at the place. And she come there as a new worker. But him have to deal with people like him can't style away. And him don't know say Winnie him styling, brother. Oh, me done style that blood clot. Me say not even him pain or wait for brother and left for work instant. Ball your fuck. What my friend did that fuck him, my friend. Friend say, boy, can't you really make me girl gone, man? I say, I say go, brother.
Yeah, man, no tell life on. Yeah, man, no tell life on wall, you know.
I really something man to blood.
Oh, yeah, man, we tell life on girl whole man like how then tell life on duppy, you know. Yeah, man. You do then something there, brother.
No put it away.
No, brother. Me not tell no man, all when me a do, man, I them, me a tell people, say not me. Me a shaggy, you know. Yeah, man, not me. Me deal with brother.
Not me.
Not me. Yeah, brother. Me not tell no man about no girl, brother. You know, some man everywhere ain't got tonight. If him fucking come a work in talk. I say, but call on, and I used to pussy, brother. Not really blood clot, idiot. That man now hear me come a work. I tell man how me turn waist last night, all night for what? Where that I go? That not benefit me nothing, brother. That is not all, brother. A man now come a work and tell you him back blood clot face. He not talk that. He not talk how much a man fuck you all and something there. You have to talk them that you like the brother. But brave say man them fuck him for true. But them can't come talk how them fuck girl. Yeah man. Them son who can't cool to brother. But when talk how girl hold big and when talk say how small and how small too. And tell people that too, man. Because you just go on like a girl who is big. You know. Some of them are come for bottom girl who, you know. Yeah, man. Try buckwood for bottom girl who. That no go on, brother.
So you want to try that?
No, brother.
You sure?
Me not try bottom, no precipice. No, brother. No girl who no have no bottom. So where you are going to do? You have to just go in at this and enjoy yourself and left it alone. Where you want to do? And where you want to dig, yeah? Hey, where you want to do?
Hey, can't easy.
But I'm no girl, well, brother. Me no diver, you know. A diver alone, a bottom sea and river.
You know them fucking.
No, sir. Just tell yourself, say baggy, brother. Yeah, man. Oh, man, fuck by stage in a go-go club. See, man, fuck down by and reach up, cocky drop down, can't come up back, you know. I say, then look how you go flap for yourself, brother.
I see man fuck up girl up there, mafia crawl, you know.
Yeah, man, mafia draw where left this, yeah. One soldier go up there one night, brother. Put fuck one girl, him have to fly up.
So one brother,
Say, yes, sire.
put lungs until the jaw can around, so you know. Yeah, man, and the girl them play with that on stage till it stand up, you know. Hey, you see when that blood clot stand up, a problem then girl have on stage, you know.
Nobody can attack this.
Hey, I go see my girl. That's why I'm more than for you.
I come and tell me, say, you ain't go back in soldier in the bathroom, a whole beard. Take off him clothes and say, man, I say, my chick, say, who the man you talk to if my sonny dog I deal with in the bathroom, so, you know? Man say, alright, see dog in there. Feel up himself and look all upon himself and I say, yo, you see all you? You're 55, you know look bad. You go on still, you know? Look upon the marga chest and him say, boy, you're 55 too, you know? But you still a go on still, you know? Look down upon the big belly and say, blood clot. You reach 55 too, you know? Anyway, you still a carry on, brother.
Yes, brother.
Go down a lower your son, hook down your son and say blood clot. You know, say if you never dead, you would have 55 too.
Oh, you get that brother dog.
Oh, me not give no more, brother. No, me not go short. I say, oh, if you never dead.
Yeah. Yeah, that'll
You
be
would have
55 too.
55 too, but anyway, go and live your life, because you're dead already. Hey. Me when name Rusty.
What's the one urge?
Yeah, him have one shop. Say goods truck come there week time, come sell goods. But me have a birchin up there. And the truck come there 1 week. And lick the blood clot man in a brother. Me don't know like, you know, some long up, high up back truck. Removal truck. And you have to big iron blood clot gate round our back there when them pull them, they then come around so. You know way Bridget not do a pass down the man them pull you and they lick him. Yeah man, to me cat. You don't know so far that truck they lick me. Mood not even a stiff you know brother. Hey, me laugh your poke when the man tell me hear him no brother. After a fact. Show me them pay no mind yeah man. Kinda either use yeah man, you know use.
Say would neither you?
Nah, use so. They just did a put on. Say, master, no, nothing if you not stiff now, brother, because you neither use. Just did a put on. So, I said, that man, you really jam at the blood clot. Man, I'm a girl, brother. He's not dead, but him just not nothing for use the pan. Man, say him not have nobody. It not use, brother.
Okay.
So me I say such a rass lick that the chuck the lick your brother that's feud not stiff and that. Man said no man and him wake up with no stiff brother but matter of fact him them pay the man kinda da use.
In a work on the truck or a pass my
Pass him a pass the truck, he not work on the truck. Man just a pass the truck and chuck back lick him. Man say yo this neither use brother. So not too worry about it.
Yeah, right.
Boy, you really sampling now, brother. My man, then some me call a name in a too much video, so I don't call a name, you know.
Oh.
Hey, brother, them man, then say cat every time I see the name and everybody come to me say cat, this. I say alright, I don't call no more on a name in a no video call. I don't want to big up. Yeah, man, I don't call no name in a no more, brother. I no blood clot either.
Boy.
I just start telling about one brother, you know. I can't tell you about the name again, you know. Yeah, man,
The thing is about the brother, you know.
yeah, that's the brother, you know. I don't want a name go up the brother, man, I'm afraid. Same name I go too far.
Because we call it a name upon that, you know.
Yeah, problem, everybody I got know who. So we not call him name,
Once
brother.
you hear that name, I say, boy, as a man, they took the liquor.
Yeah, and go him now can know personal, say him me attack, because him know say him did tell me
I'm
that
the bad
blood
at that
clot.
about,
Yeah. And go him know